When I first moved to Germany, I knew things would be different. But I didn't expect these everyday habits to surprise me so much. In this video, I'll share 10 things that really stood out, little details of German life that might shock you too. One of the first things I noticed was how quiet Sundays are in Germany. Almost everything is closed, no supermarkets, no shopping malls, no haircuts. People use the day to relax, spend time with family, or go for walks. It felt strange at first. In other places, Sundays can be busy with weddings, shopping, or gatherings, but here, it's a true day of rest. And even at home, you're not supposed to do noisy things like drilling or vacuuming. It's all about peace and quiet. Coming from India where digital payments are everywhere, I was shocked that in Germany, cash is still king. Many small cafes, bakeries, and even some restaurants only accept cash. You might enter a nice-looking place, order food, and then realize they don't take cards at all. Now I always carry cash, just in case. It's one of those old habits that sticks around in Germany. This was a really positive surprise. In Germany, plastic and glass bottles have a deposit called Pfand. When you buy a bottle, you pay a little extra, like 25 cents, and you get that money back when you return the empty bottle to the machine at the supermarket. It encourages recycling, and it feels great to get a small refund for helping the environment. We easily chat with strangers, on the bus, in the market, even in a queue. But in Germany, people usually keep to themselves. On public transport, it's silent. People read books, look at their phones, or just stare out of the window. I tried starting conversations a few times, it didn't go well. Germans respect privacy, even in public space. In Germany, people never cross the street at a red pedestrian light, even if there's no car in sight. At first I found this funny, but it's about setting a good example for children. People actually glare at you if you cross on red. It's a small thing, but it shows how strongly Germans believe in following rules. German waste sorting is on another level. There are separate bins for paper, plastic, organic waste, glass, and more. At first, it was confusing. I had to Google where to throw things. But it really helps with recycling, and over time it became a habit. Still, I miss the simplicity of throwing everything in one bin sometimes. Germany has official quiet hours, usually from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m., and even during the afternoon in some buildings. You can't play loud music, have noisy parties, or even do loud housework. It's all about respecting neighbors. I learned this the hard way when I got my first complaint for vacuuming late at night. At small shops or bakeries, it's common for the cashier to expect exact change or at least small coins. They really appreciate it if you don't give a big note for something small. Once, I tried paying for a €1 bread roll with a €50 note, and the look I got, let's just say I never did that again. In Germany, people take titles seriously, whether it's Herr, Frau, or Doctor. Even in emails or when talking to neighbors, you use formal greetings until invited to be informal. It shows respect, but at first it felt a bit distant compared to the warmth of other countries. Something I love about Germany, dogs are welcome almost everywhere. You'll see them on trains, in restaurants, even in shops. And they are so well trained. They sit quietly under the table and don't disturb anyone. It's impressive how much discipline people put into training their pets. Every country has its unique habits, and these are just some that stood out to me in Germany. Some were hard to adjust to, but many I grew to admire. What surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.